Hey everyone, and welcome. Today we're diving into a really cool concept that could totally reshape how we interact with all our tech. And it all happens from the most comfortable spot in our house. Let's talk about the AI couch. Seriously, just take a second and think about it. What should I watch? What should I order for dinner? Which one of these 10 notifications actually matters? It adds up, right? It's this constant, low-level hum of decision-making that just drains you. But what if all that could change? What if the tech adapted to us for once instead of the other way around? Now, a statement like this, that's a big deal. It's pointing to a massive shift in how we do things. Just imagine a world where you don't have to hunt for the right app, open it, navigate it. All that friction just vanishes. That right there is the whole promise of the AI couch. So let's really break down the problem this idea is trying to solve. You could call it the hidden work of being alive today. It's that mental load of managing a dozen different apps, trying to remember your preferences for everything, and just fighting off that sheer exhaustion from making choices, all when you're just trying to relax. The solution here isn't another gadget you have to set up or another app you have to learn. No way. It's an intelligence that's woven into something you already use every single day. The idea is so elegant because it meets you exactly where you are, both physically and mentally. You don't have to change a thing. And this whole concept is thinking way bigger than just a smart couch that has a USB charger built into the armrest. We're talking about reframing the couch as the central hub, the command center for your entire digital world. In a way, your couch becomes your new personal operating system. This chart lays it out perfectly. On the left, that's life right now. You have to do all the work. You search, you scroll, you browse, you make the final call. But look at the right. The AI couch completely flips that script. It notices things passively, it offers suggestions, and it's always learning. It takes the burden of starting everything off of your shoulders. Okay, so you're probably wondering, how does it do this without being, super creepy or a pain to set up? Well, the magic is that it learns about you passively. You don't have to sit there filling out a 20-page questionnaire about your favorite foods. It all boils down to this really simple two-part system. First, there's the passive learning, which happens in the background without you doing anything. And second, there's the active feedback, where you give it hints. And that part is designed to be as natural and easy as possible. Let's dig into both. So what is it actually picking up on? Well, it's the little things. It notices the time you usually crash onto the couch after work. It learns your posture. Are you slumped over and exhausted? Or are you sitting up totally engaged? It can pick up on the tone of your voice, maybe even micro-expressions if you opt in. It's basically learning from you, just being you. Now for the active part. Let's say the couch suggests a movie. Giving it feedback is incredibly easy. You could literally just swipe on the armrest, yes or no. Or you could just talk to it like a person. Say, nah, not today. Or even better, you can tell it why. And that why is the real secret sauce. And this is the absolute key to the whole thing. A simple no just tells the AI you're not interested right now. But telling it why, like, that's a bit too heavy for a Tuesday night, teaches it your context. It's not just learning what you like, it's learning when and why you like it. It's learning your rhythm. So this is where it all comes together. This is the payoff. How does all this quiet learning and simple feedback actually make your life better? Well, this is where you get those aha moments. Let's look at some examples. The killer feature they talk about is something called food intelligence. And this is so much more than a typical recommendation algorithm. It's not just about knowing you like tacos. It's about learning that you crave comfort food on a rainy Sunday, or that you regret eating a huge meal right before bed. It even learns your regret patterns. And boom, here's the magic. Imagine your couch saying this to you. It remembers not just the food you liked, but the feeling you had afterward. It's gently nudging you towards a choice you'll probably be happier with, based entirely on your own history. That is unbelievably useful. Here's another one that shows just how nuanced it can get. It can sense you're in a specific, kind of rare mood, and it knows that this is the perfect time to suggest that weird documentary or that album you only listen to once in a while. It gets you. It understands the exceptions to your rules. And this kind of intelligence ties your whole life together. For movies, it learns the difference between when you want something on for background noise versus when you're ready for a complex film. For shopping, it can even learn your budget mood. It won't tempt you with expensive stuff when it senses you're feeling frugal. It can even tap into your calendar and suggest rescheduling things when it notices you're having a low energy day. When you put all this together, it creates something that feels deeper. The goal isn't just a more efficient smart device, it's to create a companion you can trust. This is what the source material calls the AI friend layer, and it's what turns this from a tool into something more personal. So why does it feel like a friend? Because it acts like one. It's not formal, it talks to you casually, it remembers little things you told it weeks ago. It learns from a single interaction. It doesn't keep nagging you about something you already said no to. It can even sense when you just want some quiet. And my favorite part, it checks in on old preferences, asking if something is still true. That's how you build a real sense of being seen and understood. Now, of course, an AI that knows you this well brings up one giant flashing question mark: privacy. And this concept tackles that problem right from the start with a core idea: privacy by design. This means all that sensitive learning happens right there on the device. It's local first. The promise is simple: your data is yours and it's never sold. And here's what that control actually looks like. You get to decide what, if anything, ever leaves the couch. You can tell it to forget things, and most importantly, there's a simple, powerful command: forget this. You say that, and it's gone. Instantly. No questions asked. That's how you build trust.
So as we start to wrap this up, it's pretty clear we're not just talking about another smart gadget for your living room. By quietly observing us and then gently reflecting our own patterns back to us, the AI couch becomes something more profound. It's almost like a mirror for our own habits and our own moods.
And that really just leaves us with one last big question to chew on. When our environment becomes so perfectly tuned to us, so responsive to our unspoken needs, where's the line anymore? Where do we end and where does our AI begin? It's a pretty wild thought for the future, isn't it?
Yeah.